Hi everybody, this is Damini Chaturvedi. I'm a professional makeup artist, and as you all know, Karwa Chauth is just around the corner. I thought, why not create a very nice and easy Karwa Chauth look for you guys? So I think let's just get started. So my face is already cleansed, it's already clean. I've used a face wash and I've cleaned my face. So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to use a toner. It's from Forest Essentials Facial Tonic Mist. So I'm just going to spray it on my face. So the toner ideally helps to minimize the pores on our skin. So definitely अगर हमारे pores temporarily थोड़ा closed होते हैं तो उससे जो secretion of oil है वो बहुत कम होता है, and due to that our makeup tends to last a little longer. Now I'm going to use a moisturizer. It's from Clinique. It's the Moisture Surge. So this cream works perfectly well for me. So I'm just going to use it on my entire face. If you need a flawless base, definitely use a moisturizer according to your skin type. If you have oily skin, then probably some water-based moisturizer would be good for you. If you have very dry skin, then probably a creamy moisturizer is very good for you. But whatever skin type, regardless of whatever skin type you have, moisturization of the skin is extremely essential. So yeah. Now let's go on to the next step, which is priming. And I've taken a very small amount, and I'm going to use it in the areas where my skin generally tends to get oily and where I have like larger pores. So that is majorly my nose area, then my chin area, so yeah, now I'm going to just start up with hiding these dark circles and the pigmentation areas and the pimple marks, and I'm just gonna help I'm just gonna try and conceal them. So I'm using Makeup Forever professional concealer palette. I'm gonna use this shade, which is slightly peachy in color. I'm gonna put them over here. So yeah, if you can see how beautifully it's hiding my problem areas. I will also use the same corrector to cover my eyelids. So using a concealer, a little dark color concealer on your eyelids acts like a primer base for your eyes, and it gives a very nice fresh canvas to work on for your eye makeup. So as you can see, my problem areas are covered to a great extent. So now I'll use the foundation. I'm going to use one from Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. So if you can see, I am taking very small. I'm not just putting the foundation marks and rubbing them because I just like to blend as I move. I like to build slowly. Never forget to work on your neck, because you do not want your face to shine differently and your neck to look dull. So yeah, I'm done here. And then I'm going to just set it with the powder. So I'll be using Huda Beauty Easy Bake and putting it across my under eye area. So whatever darkness is left due to my dark circles, it helps to brighten my under eye area. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. It's from Morphe, and taking it again, dipping it again, just going to fluff up my face. one next step is to contour your face, because if you see, my face looks like quite like a plain canvas. There's no dimensions to it. So to add those dimensions, I'm going to use a contour palette here. So I'm going to use one from Kat Von D. This is one of my favorite, and I'm going to use like medium to a darker color to shape up my cheekbone and just to look a little more sculpted. I'm going to use it around my temples to give a more complete look. Very soft. I'm not trying to make any harsh lines here. So now this palette is from LA Colors. Yeah, so I love to use this yellow color. As you can see, it's almost on the verge of finishing up, and sadly it's not available on Nykaa or any other portal here in India at the moment, so I'm quite scared. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I tend get it from somewhere. So I'm just gonna use this yellow powder. This is just some extra layer that I do to make those dark circles hide away for a longer time. We use a blush, so I'm using Makeup Revolution here. So I'm gonna use like a nice, because my outfit is red, so I don't want to go like all pinky right now. I'm just gonna use a little very light peach color. And I want to start with the eyes. So for the eyes, what I feel is, as I'm wearing a red outfit, I don't want to go very heavy on the eyes. I want to keep it a little neutral. So I think we're gonna use Huda Beauty. Very light pink and mauve shade here, which is Bossy and Flamingo. And I'm gonna use it. Just ensure that there are no lines on your eyes, because the product seems to set at times. And now again, taking the brush, holding it from like here, just gonna go and apply this very softly. Yeah, that's it. Little darker shade, which is, I'm gonna use a more tapered brush now because I want it to be a little concentrated. So Cocoa here, the brown one, this shade Cocoa. I'm gonna use this. Slightly. It's a nice shimmery shade here. So I'll be using Blessed. This is a dull gold color. Slightly using my fingers and applying it. That's it. Now I'm going to use the same tapered brush again, the tapered buffer brush, and I'm just going to ensure that it's blended it with my outer corner. Same size. So the next step that I'm going to do is, I'm not going to go in for a liner right now. I'm just going to use a very smoked out kajal look using NYX liner pencil here. I'm just going rough with it. I'm not being very precise. Now I'll be using this Inglot brush, and I'm just going to slightly blend it. Nice. I'm going to use the black truffle here and tapping off the excess. Yeah. So I'm going to do exactly the same on the other eye. So yeah, I'm just very softly, I'm not putting a lot of pressure here. Very softly I'm blending this thing off to give the look more softer effect. Again, taking the black truffle shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and just setting this up. The softer you go with your hand, the better and more beautiful it's gonna look. Moving on, I'm gonna use this kajal. It's the Colossal Kajal Super Black Maybelline New York. It's a very beautiful kajal. I really like it. It's quite intense. So I'm just gonna tight line the upper waterline. So this helps me to complete my eye look. And even if you haven't put the kajal, your eye looks more defined. And I'm gonna also use it on my waterline. So now I'm gonna use a flat brush here. I'm just gonna blend it out. And now I'll use a small brush, fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use the shade Cocoa here, the brown shade. And now I'm gonna blend the edges out. Do you see how quickly we have finished off the eye? Just use a brown or a very light color to probably contour the entire eyelid. Then use a darker brown shade to probably just put it around the edges of your eye. Then just use a pigment or an shimmery eyeshadow and apply it on the center and the inner corner of your eye. And then just this kajal. That's it. Just blending it in properly. So yeah. So one thing that I'm going to use here is you can either just put a lot of mascara on your eye and go ahead with the look. But if you want, you can use very light lashes as well. So here I'm going to use very light lashes, if you can see. I'm using a duo adhesive here, and this is already cut in accordance to my eye. I have taken the little amount. I'm using the back of this tube and applying on this lash, if you can see. Now again, in the same way, put it. Yeah, I feel it looks nice. I think it looks nice. So by the time it's setting, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I'm going to apply this on my lower lashes. This way they're not going to look like two separate entities. It's going to kind of look more blended. Most important part in my face, which looks very incomplete, and I just feel like going and diving into it right away, is my eyebrow. This Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade dark brown. If you can see, the powder on my face has also started to set a lot. So I'll take this fluffy brush and remove any fallout that would have happened under my eye. And now I'll be using my Makeup Revolution. I like to put it around all my cheeks. So yeah, almost done with this. Now I'm gonna use my Champagne Pop. This is a mini form, and this is from Becca. I'm gonna use this highlighter. I think this much should be good for me. What's left? The lip color. So with a red suit, you can go for any kind of shade that you like. You can go for red, but for me, I think I want to keep it a little towards the nuder side. So I'll be using my favorite Bombshell shade from Huda Beauty. So this is the technique I use to keep the lip color in a little check. In a sense, I don't want it to look more, because it's a liquid lipstick, I don't want it to look really patchy on my lips. I think it's good. Now I would like to give it a more traditional look. I'll use some bindi here. I personally love bindis, but I like small ones. I don't like to go for big or blingy bindis. Personally like this. Oh my god. This just made my look even more traditional. Now I'm going to use my sindoor. It's from Color Bar. It's a red colored sindoor. Like to do a small touch. Of course, it's Karwa Chauth, so why not? Nice. Wow, this look is almost complete. Let me just put my jewelry on and get back. Hi everyone, so I'm back. So I've put on some gold jewelry here. So yeah, my look is done here. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you all liked it, and we'll see you soon for the next video. Okay, bye bye.